Uh, welcome to this session. Today, I'm going to talk about the internship opportunity that we are providing from 360DigiTMG. This is specifically for those people who are already working in data science area, machine learning area. We are trying to look at the next level, what next, right? So that next level of things that you'll have to be doing as part of a machine learning or data science projects is something that you will be doing here. This is specifically to ensure that people who have got trained in this area, Python, SQL, machine learning concepts, supervised, unsupervised learning, then deep learning, neural network concepts, all these are fine. But how do you actually develop a solution if your end user is not able to consume it? A lot of you people are probably coming from engineering backgrounds, students who are probably have taken the data science or AI program in your 4-year academic, right? 4-year engineering course. You probably are from computer science or from that matter, any other group. The most important thing is you'll have to think about the end user. And this is what is industry also looking out. That is the reason why a lot of people are, even though they are skilled in this area of data science, machine learning, they are not able to crack the interviews just because they will not be able to answer the questions pertaining to deployment. Deployment is one of the essential steps as part of your overall end-to-end machine learning model development. So this internship opportunity that we are offering is specifically for those people who have crossed that initial level and now looking out to upskill to the next level. And of course, friends, if you're just starting to learn machine learning concepts, data science concepts, then I would recommend you people to join another WhatsApp community or join another internship program, which we launch every Friday. Friday, same time, if you connect back, we will be able to get more details about that internship opportunity, which is basically going to be from the start. Here, the prerequisite is that you should be already familiar with machine learning model development. So let us try and understand how this internship program actually unrolls. So it's going to be 30 days program. This deployment related program is specifically designed for 30 days. And this is completely free, friends. And it will have learning phase. First 20 days will be learning phase, where a lot of new things is what you're going to learn, especially if you look at this particular video or learning videos. You will be learning skills of how the deployment happens in various platforms, on-premise, on cloud, different cloud platforms using different tools. So this is going to be completely new. You probably are already familiar with Python. You probably are familiar with machine learning concepts. But how do you develop using a specific process or project management methodology? What is this process that you should follow? Machine learning workflow. All those things will be explained in this particular learning video series. So at any given point of time, you will have probably 2 hours videos, at max 3 hours videos, and you're expected to learn them and also answer the questions that we post on LinkedIn platform. So you'll have to follow 360DigiTMG LinkedIn page. And this is how we will post our questions. And the expectation is that you write your answers in the comment section as detailed as possible so that your profile also gets highlighted. Your profile will get the required content for market, your skills showcasing purposes. When employers look that you're actively participating in these kind of activities, then that will create confidence. And LinkedIn is one of the primary tools for employers to scratch for the profiles, right? So this is the activity that you'll expected to complete in first 20 days. After the learning phase is completed, you will have the project phase, and this is going to be for 10 days where you are going to follow the instructions of an expert. From our side, we will have one mentor who is going to guide you with their rich experience, and they give you the instructions on what you are supposed to do so that everything is streamlined, and you will also ensure you learn the time management skills and complete the task within the given deadlines. These 10 days are also further broken down into 5 days, 5 days. 2 different tasks will be done, and you're expected to complete those. And to ensure everybody is following the process and instructions, we have Monday to Friday stand-up meetings conducted in which we will be guiding you on what you are supposed to do and what you have done. If you have got any challenges, what are those? These are the specific questions that we will be discussing in that particular 15-minute stand-up meeting. This will ensure that you are going to complete the project with quality. And once you're done with your project, once you submit all your artifacts, whatever you have developed, then you will be given a certificate similar to this, with a certificate, with the project name and with the duration. And you can showcase this certificate very proudly. And we are not charging anything here, friends. Remember that, right? It's completely free. This program is completely dedicated by the 360DigiTMG organization. And what you're supposed to see is how the projects are actually going to be deployed for the customer. If you look at this on the screen, I'm sharing a small demonstration where a video of a customer's, I should say, work is being uploaded. And what you are looking at here is the steel rods dimension. There are different sizes of steel rods, right? And there are different width, shape of these steel rods. The objective of this project, right? So I'll show you the objective of this project basically is when the set of these steel rods are getting uploaded into the truck, the inventory has to be counted. The right management needs to know how many steel rods are being shipped, right? And of what dimensions. All these things have to be manually counted, which is going to be very difficult. So the model that we have developed is basically containing the AI features, which will help us to augment and identify the color differences and capture the entire details in a database. So this way, when you're automating things, it will help the entire work to be streamlined, and the process also is going to be much, much faster. And of course, it also ensures that there is no human error. This is another project that you're seeing here where we have worked on poultry. And this deployment is showing the customers on what is the health of the chick, what is the age of the chick, and if there is any health related issues, we also identify that. It also tries to identify the body weight of the chick. So these are some of the applications, friends. What you're seeing is the deployed solution. So you are supposed to work on these kind of projects in the industry. not working on Python and just right showing the result on Python. No, your end customer would like to see a deployed web interface that they can use because they're not Python programmers. So this logic of how the solution that you developed in Python is going to be deployed into industry is something that you're going to work with. Of course, this is just a 30 days program and you'll be learning the primary things, the preliminary things. You may not be able to extend to the greatest complex models, but this is a foundation step for you all. I encourage you people to use the opportunity. And anyways, it's free, right? So you learn something new. So it's going to be a beneficial effort, right? And it will add value to your profile. And if you have those deployment related capabilities in your resume, highlighting these skills, then you will have definitely an edge over others who are not showcasing those skills and they are saying only machine learning capabilities. This is something that I wanted to bring to you all. And I also want you people to come to this 360DigiTMG webpage, and you might want to see what kind of efforts we do with respect to the skills that we have, right? How do we transfer those to our students? So the platform itself is designed in such a way that there are a lot of learning resources which can help you upskill yourself and try to find different jobs. Right? We have mind map, we have digital book, interview questions are there, then quiz page. Right? This is basically quiz. You can take up the quiz. We also have ATS system, our own applicant tracking system, which majority of the job portals have, which will help you grade your resume with respect to the job description that is given. This is something that I would encourage people to use because it's going to be very, very helpful in streamlining your profile, your resume. All you have to do is click on access now, give your resume here, upload it here. It should be in Word document or PDF format. No other formats are supported here. And then just upload job description or copy paste the job description here. Either way, when you do this and click on compare now, our GenAI model, LLM model is going to compare the resume that you have uploaded with the job description that you're trying to apply for. And it is going to grade your resume on how ideal or how fit your resume is for the job description. What kind of skill sets do you possess that job description is looking for? It highlights what are those skill sets that you have and what are the skill sets that you did not highlight in your resume. If you look out that list of missing skill sets, you come to know that, okay, there are certain things that you are not familiar with. There are certain things that you're familiar with, but your resume does not contain. So all these things basically will help you to streamline your efforts to achieve your dream job. So go ahead, look into this particular learning resources page and try and explore. And whenever you're trying to learn something, be committed and enjoy that learning. All right, friends, that's all I have. And this program, this particular internship program will start from day after tomorrow. Day after tomorrow, tomorrow being festival. So you might want to register for this program. All you have to do is register to the WhatsApp community that is shared in the link. Click on it, join the community, and all the information will be shared in that particular community. Thank you so much for joining, and we'll see you all from tomorrow onwards. Your learning curve, learning journey begins tomorrow. Thank you, everyone, and happy learning, friends.